Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to adjust brightness on Samsung Galaxy A02 in two ways. But before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, the first one is go to settings. In settings, go to display. In display, okay, you can see the brightness. And okay guys, here you can adjust the brightness by sliding to the right or to the left. And okay guys, I decide to adjust on right portion. And okay guys, this is the one way to adjust the brightness on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, the other way or the second way you'll have to do is slide from top to bottom. And now here you can see the adjustment. Okay, you can adjust to the left or to the right. And okay guys, so okay, that's it. There are two ways to adjust the brightness on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.